First, be clear and specific about what you want. You don't want to be vague, because vague goals produce vague results. If you have no idea what you want out of life, then guess what? You'll be living like everyone else, getting nowhere. Second, condition your mind for the things you want. You want to train your reticular activating system to see that what you want is important to you. For instance, you can practice visualization. You can practice positive affirmations. You want to constantly talk and think about the things you want. Set it as a goal and make plans for it to happen. Third, take action and work on what you want. Things are not going to magically appear in your life. Remember, you don't attract what you want. You attract who you are. So you want to develop yourself to become the right person who will attract the right results into your life. And how do you do that? Through taking massive and consistent action. And fourth, be grateful.